I dey fear ojuju, ojuju, ojuju. I dey fear ojuju, ojuju. Ah, what an amazing, sensible, reasonable, sweet, and very hilarious song. My brother all the way from, I think you are a Naija artist. I don't know you. I just got to meet you to know you by that song. God will bless you. God, you say you have no. I saw your, you said you have no boundaries during your speech about yourself. I love you. So this is your anger. So our market, although is no barrier, but when it becomes to our celebrity, we start to react. Although the court is divorcing every day, yeah. Marriage, can be. So hey, oh God, now wow. So una house don become army barrack abi? Una house wey be celebrity house don become an army barrack wey be say na army come dey come scatter fight. And if we should talk now, the idiot man who cannot put his house in order will come out. All these women you people claim you got married to are making una feel less a man. Let's leave the stardom apart. Even be a stardom, when you married a woman that is making you feeling less a man, disgracing you here and there, and that is what the Bible has, that is not what the Bible has said concerning the head, the crown. He expected a man to be in charge. Yes, some of we women have a man that are cool-headed, not that they don't know how to be in charge or anything. But all these ladies are jeopardizing things. So our T Bliss, the ex-husband of Tiwa Savage, our market, because that time na you dey look for Anna Macaulay. You want a wife like Anna Macaulay, she's wife material. You want a wife like Anna Macaulay. And in those days too, T Bliss lamentations, about a lot of things about our Tiwa Savage. I'm sorry I'm driving your divorce marriage into this. Tiwa and T Bliss, we all know the Afro Queen Tiwa. Okay, he emphasized a lot of things like Tiwa never enters the kitchen, despite that she's legally married, she never cook and all that. But during the interview for Tiwa exclaimed absolutely yes. She's not the type that lies. She's a good girl. It's just like some things that Tiwa do at times, it's not her fault. She's a good girl, but mama or father does not train her to do, some things that can be her weakness or it's not her fault. Do you understand? Some parents during upbringing, maybe the way their mentality in bringing up a child. Tiwa also exclaimed she doesn't enter the kitchen. I almost did like this. They mogbe. He said because you are very busy. Later you people employed a chef to be cooking. At times nothing like when somebody's wife is cooking for somebody. So a lot of you no matter who you are, even if you are Lakija, do you understand? I saw this our amazing artist, celebrity during Corona. Every woman come out. What did you do with that Corona? Because you were in home with your husband. Even if you don't cook before and it was okay by your husband that cook or chef should cook, you should cook in the Corona. I saw this our sweet husband material Afro R&B artist calling the cook on his chat like that, telling him I'm hungry again. What do you have in the house? Do you still have that, something like that to make swallow? I was like, I was thinking that is madam not in the house? Do you understand? I don't care. You might be the wife of His Excellency. In that Corona, you should cook for your husband. Yes, it's the wife they marry today, especially all these Lagosian wives, because you based in Lagos and the husband allow it. You see, I've come to detect that in this our era, there is still good husband, but it's hard to find that good woman. When they were cutting all of you will pretend in Corona. A man that has worked for his hard-earned money, celebrity, was calling chef in my presence like this, like, do me that swallow you do me the other time. Clean guy like that. I say mogbe, madam, but I can't think say well the madam get twins. She get twins for hand and one other children and one other child, making 3. Maybe it's hard to take care of children. I was thinking like that maybe that's why she couldn't enter the kitchen. So You see, all these women, you pretend during courtship, and a lot of all these men don't know. When they eventually marry you, you become another thing entirely. How can you take fire and extinguish her? And it was told that this is not the first time that you are a violent woman. And if you see a lady that e pepper body like that, you will know that most ladies that pepper body too much like that, you will know that they do cheat on that man. And there's been speculation, another latest update now, that you are cheating on this same celebrity. You carry fire and extinguish her. Forget all this allegedly, spare me all this rubbish. But it's none of my business. The idiot celebrity came out debunking, insulting me, and stop this madness. So me, I will stop. Do you understand? The madness. It's none of my business. If by the time we will do your RIP, I'm sure in heaven, in the grave, you will come back to senses. You see, even like 2 days ago, I watched the interview that this so-called baby mama of our Lanre Teriba did with Asabe TV. Again, this lady, this is like the 6th blogger you are going through just because you did not pave your way. You were trying to imitate one Fola Tinubu that people solicited money for on social media. If you see how this baby mama of our evangelist Lanre Teriba, if you see how he begin to spoil this man, and most of all these celebrity before they met una, the kind trek wey dem trek to be somebody in life, the kind suffer wey dem suffer. You people, you these useless women will now marry them. You will think you can be a threat to their life. I begin to watch that interview patiently. Say na because man no put, we no know whether the man dey put money down, maybe na the money no enough or we no dey there. So let's assume that na because the father of your child no dey put money down. You expected to be riding Range Rover, you expected to be in a well-furnished apartment and all that. Because of that, people know they hate you as celebrity wife. Na him cause all this. So when Bible also said it, that what shall separate me from the love of God? At times we don't the way God work towards righteous, at times righteous have to suffer and like begging for food. Does that still mean we should forsake God? At times righteous face tribulations and trials that Lord expected us to still be strong because he knows why we pass through that time. I'm not encouraging your man not to take care of you. If you see how I wanted to come out that 2 days ago, that spirit told me that why will you carry the guy, the Lanre Teriba matter for head? Now you tell am make he no dey contented. Na him dey marry anyhow woman, na him dey date any riffraff. So me, I no get, you think everybody out there they no get their own challenges for body? If you see the father of your children is trying to spoil this man's market, that she said she just pity a lot of people that when this evangelist preach or minister is gospel songs that they will start crying, and me, I'm one of them. But you have not succeeded in my own way, in my own side. You can never succeed. Should I give you another one? Lójú ọmọ aráyé, the baby mama of Lanre Teriba, here another one. Lanre Teriba, in my life will be evergreen. Lójú ọmọ aráyé, bí kémi ṣàlẹ̀ jẹ́ ní. I'm giving you another one. It's evergreen. Let me tell you. Lójú kẹ́ni mama ni o, bí kí n tọrọ ọbẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn ni. Àwọn ọmọ aráyé wọ́n ṣe bó ti tán fún ni. Máa yé o máa yé, áńgẹ́lì kì í kú lọ́run, máa yé, ọmọ ìyá ní Sátánì tí ẹ rí yẹn. Ọ̀sán jẹ́ kó sàn mí sówó, alẹ́ o kọ́nà mi là, ọ̀tá mi máa yọ̀ mí pé mo ṣubú, ilẹ̀ ló yọ mí gẹ̀rẹ̀ má dìde o. Lanre Teriba, I love you. Shout out, more grace to your elbow. So what am I saying? We are sick and tired of all these two adults in the name of marriage constituting nuisance. How can a wife carry, and it's been said that this is not the first time. That is why me I no support the relationship of Chioma and Davido and all other these women wey Davido dey carry about. The world might support, Davido might support, but me as the king of Herod in those days wash his hand clean over Jesus Christ issue. Me, I've washed my hand clean. I'm not in support of that relationship because I know I knew how all these women can be. They pretend. Now when they put them inside matrimony, na then you come know say it's not my fault when he start hurting me. Na here I come know say one boyfriend dey for our village wey we come from the same village wey go me wey go come dey fuck am. Even that one na small. Na after marriage you go see the true colour say dem be. I'm not saying I'm just, do you understand? For instance, I'm not saying Chioma is a bad girl, but a lot of girls in this era, so the way fans carry their relationship for head, me I no carry. Me I be agbalagba to jẹ́ pé tọmọ when pikin dey cut tree in the forest, the elder know where he go. Me and my heart no support. Not that Davido cannot do what he wishes. I'm tired of this girl, the girls of this era. They just want enter marriage. Do you understand? And start constituting nuisance. When you know that a lot of you are so good, you can cook, you can stay at home. Why is it that at any challenges? For Davido, look at him. He doesn't understand a lot of things in this time of his age that he is. But it's not his fault. He's still innocent. He go come put one woman for house, come dey wahala am, wey be say a lot of things he does not understand at this early stage of his life just because he's still young. Me I no talk say any woman bad o, but me I'm just saying the way some people dey carry some from, do you understand? Me I no dey carry any other people relationship for head. Anything wey the man like, if he's convinced to go ahead with the assurance marriage, make he go ahead. But no be say I go come be part of the fan wey go dey support. I pray the best woman for Davido. Do you understand? He deserve a good woman because he's a good man. But all his girls, all the relationship he has had, I've not seen any woman that deserves him. I swear with my life. Not that I'm encouraging him to be cheating. I've not seen any woman that deserve that Davido. When it comes to relationship wise or not stardom now, that boy is too good. He deserves a woman that will give him peace, that will love him, that will understand him. Not understanding to be cheating, no. But a lot of women don't understand men. You just want to get married. Fire extinguisher. They don't say make we sip our mouth. Oh, no marriage is perfect, abi. So by the grace of God, we will do your RIP. Do you understand? Because you don't say make we. Hey? If I was watching the interview of the baby mama of that Larry Teriba, you need to hear all the rubbish this lady was saying, how she's desperate of a man that when he dey trek, when he dey suffer, you know dey. And the rest of all these celebrities now that we are hearing that their marriage are having issue, when all these men are busy trying to be somebody, una no dey. Any little thing, you go drag their leg come outside. Now you cheat oh. The man still keep quiet, continue on the record label. He release album, then they trying to market album. You come out, they say you are suing for almost 8 million monthly. Eh? Any little thing. Now the woman calls am, then go they drag the name of the celebrity. Say that's why he's hospitalized. He's a cheat. They know how to corrupt the mind of the fans against all these people. The fans will come out and say, look at that time of this Olori Buruku wey they want kill with fire extinguisher. This Olori Buruku, by the grace of God, we will do your RIP. Do you understand? You don't say make everybody. Me, you see me make I come put mouth for people's something again. She not married them by force. You see me make I carry my mouth anyhow come dey talk rubbish again. So we go zip our mouth, we go stop the madness. Me I don stop, I don hands up mine. By the time she killed you, you go know say she no go even go prison. That was that one Hausa lady, northern lady. I think I don't know, she's still behind bars now or something. That was how she killed a man, in the name of jealousy. In the name, you will see a woman say in body hot like anything. The man will be saying no be you first born for am, no be you first fuck am, no be you first dey. I don't know the problem of all these women. You go just carry anything for her. They say na so na army come inside their house so come separate them. Fire, and you call yourself a younger brother, you celebrate. You are looking at a woman to until you kill your mortgagee, until you kill the person that Lord has help that family with. Anyway, me I'm going. I gotta go. Share into your anger. Keeping the fire burning. I love you guys. All these our celebrity. May the Lord open their common reasoning. They say good women no dey husband's house. Good women is not desperate. It's all these bad women that we use jazz, that will still be deceiving men. Man go marry them. Don't say good women are not lucky. Good women cannot be forcing herself to things that, our man, the way they no good. Anyway.